Morning to all of you. I'm once again back with a new video for you. In the last class, we had a discussion about some of the words like impaired, impediment, impairs, and we began our class for expedite. Today, we'll also discuss about the types of expedite, that is, the types or the categories of expedite word, that is, expeditor, expeditious, expedition, expeditiously, expeditious. These are all the words which we'll discuss today. But before I start these teaching or these lessons, I would like to tell you that please don't depend on only video classes. This is what you are going to bring a change in yourself. It is said that handsome is that handsome does. It's not the point that you are learning something. It is that when you are learning it, you are able to perform it well. My point of view is telling you is that whatever you are grasping, whatever you are picking up, it is important that you should implement in writing, in speaking, in your circle. Let's begin the class with the new type that which I want to tell you. We will today discuss about categories. So now we will see the change of form by doer, which shows action. Now we'll see that when a verb is there, it can be changed to another form. When we add verb with doer form, then it becomes expeditor. Example, expedite, expeditor. So this change of form has to be kept in your mind, right? So जब भी हम लोग सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, हम लोग हर अलग अलग कैटेगरी में वर्ड को यूज़ करते हैं और अलग अलग कैटेगरी ही हमारी फीलिंग को सेंटेंस में एक्सप्रेस करती है. तो आप देख सकते हैं एक्सपेडाइट को हम क्या किस में चेंज कर रहे हैं, एक्सपीडिटर में चेंज कर रहे हैं. उसी तरह हम वर्क को वर्कर में चेंज कर सकते हैं, सिंग सिंगर में चेंज हो सकता है, स्पीक स्पीकर में चेंज हो सकता है, बेक बेकर में चेंज हो सकता है, मेक मेकर में चेंज हो सकता है. बट this is not the only level of changing forms. There can be various style of changing noun forms, which we'll do it in further classes. Today we have just discussed about the simple form, that is a doer form. But you need to keep it in mind that whenever you will use a doer form, it will be only with the verb forms. Okay, now we are coming to the next form of the verb, that is adjective. Now whenever we go for adjective, we add IOUS to a noun or a verb. I have ticked, I have underlined. Please keep it in mind, whenever you have a noun or a verb, then only you can use IOS and it will change into adjective. It will change into adjective. Keep it in mind. So example, malice, when added with IOUS, becomes malicious. So what I am making, noun to adjective. It is changing to adjective. Caprice becomes capricious. So it becomes again an adjective by IOUS. Vice becomes vicious. And last, expedite becomes expeditious. Now, as we know that this is a form changing from noun to adjective, so we will change now other form, that is adverb form. When we go for adverb form, we add adjective, we go with adjective plus ly form. If you add ly form, then it will become what? It is malicious, so it will become maliciously. In the same manner, if you add ly form again here, it will become capriciously. In the further classes, I'll teach you what is the meaning of these words. We will surely go for it. So what are they becoming? They are becoming adverbs. Obviously these adverbs are not simple adverbs. They are adverbs which will show us the way of use of adverbs. Actually, whenever we add ly with adjectives, it becomes adjectives into adverbs, and they become adverb of manner, which you have studied in your grammar classes. So malicious, I have wrong, this is malicious, this is malicious. Okay, so maliciously has become adverb, and it is an adverb of manner. So we can use the sentence when we are going for adverb, we will go for a sentence which will show the manner how we will use this. Next, in the same manner, we have expedite, expeditious, and again expeditious becomes adjective. When expeditious become adjective, it becomes ly. When ly is added, then it becomes expeditiously. So So this was the change of form we have studied, noun, adjective and adverb. Now you can see how expeditious is used. One who is prompt, speedy and efficient is expeditious. So you can say who is very smart, who is very active in working. Okay, so one who is prompt, speedy and efficient is expeditious. बहुत तेजी से जो काम करता है उसको हम expeditious worker बोल सकते हैं. ही इज़ एक्सपीडिटियस इन हैंडलिंग टूल्स. कुछ लोगों को हम लोग देखते होंगे अपने टूल्स को बहुत अच्छी तरह यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे मैकेनिक्स लोग, सो उनको हम बोल सकते हैं एक्सपीडिटियस. शी इज़ एक्सपीडिटियस इन यूजिंग बोथ हर हैंड्स. कुछ लोग राइट हैंड से ही काम करते हैं, कुछ लोग बोथ हैंड से काम करते हैं, सो वी कैन से एक्सपीडिटियस. प्राइवेट कंपनी सेलेक्ट एक्सपीडिटियस सेल्स वर्कर्स. बहुत ही चुस्त और बहुत ही तेज वर्कर को प्राइवेट कंपनीज उठाती हैं, जिसके कारण वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम को आगे बढ़ा पाते हैं.